In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and choosing more connections. Then click on printing. Select default print service or tap on add service and download the best one for you. Either way, after clicking on the chosen service, just use this switcher next to it to activate it and wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!